Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by configuring all devices before you record any footage. Record audio at 48K HZ and set cameras to the same sample rate when possible. Select a common frame rate like 24 FPS or 30 FPS and confirm every camera matches that rate. Use a timecode generator and jam timecode to all devices before rolling. Place a visible slate or perform a loud clap at the start of each take for an easy visual and audio reference. Always create a redundant audio track when feasible for safety. Import all camera files and audio tracks into your editing software immediately. Align timecode metadata across clips first, then refine sync using waveform alignment for millimeter accuracy. If timecode is unavailable, align visible slate frames and matching audio peaks as the primary reference. Place markers at the slate or clap to speed batch syncing across multiple clips. Verify sample rates and resample audio to prevent drift during long takes and lengthy timelines. Lock synced clips to prevent accidental misalignment while editing other elements. When your sequence is locked, export a master file with embedded timecode and a reference audio track. Choose a high-quality codec and maintain the original frame rate like 24 FPS or 30 FPS to avoid conversion issues. Check the final deliverable for audio drift by comparing the start and end sync points across the runtime. Create a secondary export at lower bitrate for remote review and delivery. Archive all original camera files and a synced project backup for at least 90 days to support revisions or re-exports.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.